need everybody to underline the word parallel. Today, what we are doing only applies to parallel lines. So can you actually also draw little arrows right here to indicate that these are parallel? What we're doing today is not true for every single situation. It's only true if the lines are parallel. So when you did this, you all got about 120 degrees, right, for number 1? What did you get for number 8? Number 8? That would have been number 7, or number 2. What did you get for number 8? About 120 as well. If you want to stick with the number that you got, that's fine. I'm going to stick with 120. Okay? Can I do it? Yeah. You want me to show you how I got that? Yeah, absolutely. So I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to put this on there. I'm going to make sure my line lines up with that bottom line. And then if I were to extend it, it would go, it's the obtuse angle, so it would go to about 120.
Well, minus 10, because if I use that number and then you minus it, I don't know why.
No, because down here, you see this arrow right here points to 0. It doesn't point to the 10. It points to 0. So you'd minus 5. Does that make sense? So you were just looking at the wrong. It's okay. All right, so y'all looking at this, even if it's not parallel, what do I know is true about angle 4? It's the same thing. Cooper, Aiden, can you pick your heads up, please? It is vertical angles. Do we know vertical angles are always congruent? So that's 120. And what do I know about, what else do I know? 5 is also 120. 4 is corresponding with 8. Do y'all agree with that? So, what's congruent here? We just said 1 and 8 are what? They're equal, but what special angles are they that we learned yesterday?
Outside. Alternate exterior.
They are alternate exterior angles. They're outside on different sides. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. I heard somebody say 4 and 8 are what? Corresponding. What about 1 and 5? What do we know about corresponding angles? They are congruent. What about alternate interior angles? 4 and 5. Do y'all agree those are AIA?
Yeah.
Are they the same? Yes. So alternate interior angles are also congruent. These 3, if lines are parallel, has to be parallel lines, these 3 vocabulary words will always be congruent. And remember, vertical angles will be congruent whether they're parallel or not. Boys, you're looking up here, please. Now, if I know those are 120, what do I know about my other angles that I haven't filled out yet? How do you know they're 60 degrees? They're a linear pair, and so do y'all agree those make a line? So I can subtract from 180, and what is 180 minus 120? Y'all said they're 60 degrees. And if 2 is 60 degrees, what else do I know? 3. Why 6? You could either subtract from 120, or what are 2 and 6? They're corresponding. And what did we just learn about corresponding angles? They're congruent. So if lines are parallel and they're in the same position, they're congruent. And then if 6 is 60, oh my goodness, what is 7?
40.
I know, I did that on purpose.
It's 70.
Okay. What about same side interior angles? Angles that are on the same side inside. They're not the same. They're not congruent. What are they?
Supplementary.
What does supplementary mean? They're 180. So same side interior angles are supplementary. And what does supplementary mean? They equal 180 degrees. Write it down, please. And what do you think about same side exterior? If they're on the same side and they're outside, what do you notice? They're also supplementary. Supplementary. So the way that I remember is if it starts with an S, it's supplementary. If it doesn't start with an S, it's congruent. Okay? There are 3 problems on example 1 when you open your notes. I would like you to do all 3. Go. Jordan. No, I have.
You have a granola for me, miss?
Absolutely not.
Food? What about me?
No, I'm trying to fail your thing. Hold on. This is why I should have done it yesterday. Give me a second.
The one blue one that you gave me, Chloe took it from
I don't think so.
Big C, wake up.
I just have to go along with it.
Just give $2.50 at quarters.
Just go along with it. Do the trend.
Writing money for me, miss. All I want was no.
I literally have a penny, that's it.
I would like that pen.
Could be a lucky penny. Alright. We're going to have to go a little faster because we took a while on the warm-up. So, number 1, if that is 100, what else do you know? Y is 100. Why? Because they're vertical angles. Don't forget your degree sign. What else is 100? YX. Why is X also 100? They are corresponding angles. They are CA. Write that down if you did not know that like I did. Y and X are corresponding angles. And if you need to turn it because this confuses you, turn it. There's nothing wrong with that. How do I find Z? Subtract from what? Why? You're right, they are supplementary. What vocabulary word are they? Linear pair. They are next to each other and they add up to 180. They're a linear pair. So I'm going to do 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. Okay? The next one. Do you see how this one's 70? Oh, this is wrong. Can we add 2 arrows to this one so we can... They're not all parallel to each other. These 2 are parallel to these 2, and those are parallel to those. So add an extra arrow. Do y'all agree this right here is 70? Because they're all parallel, Cooper, can I put 70 in that spot for all of them? Because these are all corresponding? Yes. Because they're all the corresponding angles, I can do that because they're parallel. It is a lot of 70. So what all is 70? What letters? A and C. And how do I find D and B? I'm going to do 180 minus 70 because they are a linear pair. And what do I get? 110. And do you agree that's going to be both D and B? Yeah. Did I do that too fast? A little? Okay, what do you have a question for me?
No, they're all done.
Okay. Did that make sense though? Okay. You want to try next one on your own?
Yeah.
Try it real quick. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Good. All right, your 30 seconds is up. I gave you what number?
55.
So what can I do with that 55? The vertical angle, and then what else? Let me do all the 55s first. You're right, but let me do all the 55s first. Where else can I put 55s? On the S?
No, under S.
Under S, yeah. The corresponding angle, then the vertical angle, then the corresponding angle, and the vertical angle. Do y'all agree with that? So what letter is 55?
So they're always going to be like that.
They're always, yes. Yes. Because they're vertical angles. And then how do I find all the others? Alex, what did you say to do? Linear pair, so I can subtract from 180. What is 180 minus 55?
125.
So all the others are 125.
Oh my gosh, yeah, why is it taking
Is this making sense to you? Why does this work? Why can we do this?
Because they're vertical and corresponding angles.
But why? How come they're congruent?
Because they're parallel.
Because they're parallel. If we didn't have these parallel symbols, we could not do this. Okay? If I didn't have those little arrows, you would not be able to do what we just do. That's going to be a question on your test. Is J congruent to S? You need to check if they're parallel first. Okay? Number 2. What is the very first thing it says?
Parallel.
So what can I add to my picture if A is parallel to B? Let's add an arrow where A is and where B is. That lets me know, hey, this works. I can do that. Are y'all okay with me multiplying out this 4x plus 40? What is that going to give me for angle 2? 4x plus 160. And what about angle 8 is 22x plus 88. You get points for labeling your picture. Please label your picture. What do I know about angle 2 and angle 8? Well, what kind of angles are they? Do you agree they're on different sides? So they're alternate. Are they in between these two lines or outside?
Outside.
So they're alternate exterior angles. You are writing down what I am writing down, please. Alternate exterior angles are what? Congruent. So write a congruent sign underneath that. So what can I do to these angles?
4x plus 160 equals 22x plus 88.
You're right. I'm going to put the 22x first just because I like to move everything this way. But if you write it backwards, it's fine. It's still right. Solve this, please. Is that 172?
Yes.
Yeah. What do y'all get?
Over 18
4? 4?
Yeah. 72? Wait. How do you get 172?
Oh, that's what I asked 172 and y'all said yes. I was like, wait.
172 is just 72.
Just 72. Thank you. I was like, how is that 4? 72. Thank you. Oops.
So it's just 70.
Just 72. Yeah. Huh? It is 58. Yeah, we only have less than 10 minutes, so I gotta hurry through this. Question. Y'all look up. Did I answer everything it asked of me?
No.
What else does it ask of me? So I answered X, but it also wants me to find angle 1. So how do I find angle 1 right here?
You solve angle 2 and then subtract it from 180.
So 16 plus 160.
What is 16 plus 160?
There's 180.
Does that angle look like 176 degrees? But that's okay. Yeah, you can assume.
Don't you subtract one?
Yep, and then I'm going to subtract 176 from 180 is... Well, that's odd. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Does that angle look like 4 degrees? No, but is it?
Yeah, you can't assume.
Can assume. All right. I know I'm going to have to go fast. We spent too much time at the beginning of class, so I need to get through these notes in about 8 minutes. I'm going to go a little bit faster. We got to pick it up, okay? All right, next one. I have A is parallel to B, so I'm going to add the arrows. And I have angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 is 10x plus 30. Angle 8 is 4x minus 18. What are angle 1 and angle 8? They're same side exterior angles, which means same side is equals 180. Together, they equal 180. You are going to add them up and make them equal 180. It is not. Combine your like terms and solve. 180 minus 12 is 168. What is 30 plus negative 18? You thought it was what? Oh. And let me know when you get what 168 divided by 12 is.
What? Oh. Divided by 14.
Dang, I gave you the answer. Divided by 14 is...
Yeah.
My bad. Had the answer on my mind. So what is 10 times 12? Plus 30? So if angle 1 is 150, do you agree all of them in that spot, the corresponding and vertical angles are all 150? What's the other angle? 30. And what is it asking for? So what is angle 3? What is angle 9? Okay. Next one. My advice. It's difficult. This was part of the hard part yesterday, right? Extend your lines. If I extend this to be longer, and I extend this to be longer, what do I have here and here? Forget this part. I have a transversal, and are they on the same side or different sides?
So that means that they're what you call that.
Do y'all agree these two are same side interior angles? And what is SSIA? They equal 180. So I'm going to do 5x. Oh, I shouldn't have done that so close. Oh well. 5x plus 60 equals 180. And solve. And this just wants x and y. Alright, next, Same thing. If I go on the other side, and this only works because these lines are parallel. What do I know about this and this? They equal 180. Why do they equal 180? They're same side interior angles. You could actually do this one two different ways. What's one way I can do it? Add them together and make them equal 180. Or, look up. If this is 80, what does this side have to be?
100.
So could I just make this equation equal 100? Either way works. What do you mean? Yeah. Does that equal 92? And what is 92 divided by 4? 23. Cool. Alright, I got 1 minute to do the last one. I know, we wrote that really fast. As long as you understand their same side interior angles, you're good. What's this last one? Extend the lines.
What is that line? Oh, never mind.
Extend the lines. Yes. What do I have here and here? No, not vertical. They're both in the same spot. What are they? They are CA. And what is CA? Congruent. So 3x minus 5 equals x plus 55. Solve it out, please.
You said 3x minus 5 is corresponding to x plus 55?
Yes, they're equal.
This is Thursday?
This is due Thursday. Due Thursday.
Understand what you were doing wrong with? It took me a second, but yeah, I understand.
X equals 15, baby.
No, me.
X equals what?
25.
Okay. Are you going to be here that Thursday?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I got 15.
Miss Kelly, can I have your canoodle for the day?
Oh, I did it wrong.
Can you have my what?
Canoodle for the day. I have a free period next period now. I don't want to be bored.
No, we got to keep it in here. I got 30.
Yeah, technical 30.
I got 15.
How did you get 20 and 15? Did you make them equal? Or did you make them equal 180?
I did plus X on both sides.
You got to do minus X, because this is a positive. You got to move it.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, divided by 2, divided by 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.